Hi, hold. Welcome for a new session. This is a very short session where we are going to discuss a major important topic from the request of members who qualified CMA. Lot of students who qualified CMA connecting me via WhatsApp or directly, sir, how to take a membership? How can I enroll for a membership? What are all the conditions for fulfilling membership? Whether my articleship period will consider or not. Suppose if I want to take membership, what is the procedure? To whom I have to approach? How to enroll with a chapter or how to enroll with a regional chapter? All these questions are there. So don't worry. This is a wonderful solution for those. All these questions are answered. First of all, once you qualified CMA, that is CMA final exam, you are a graduate CMA. Next step is what? If you want to take a membership, what is the condition? This is very important. Major friends not aware about this condition. Please understand very well. See, if you completed your CMA, the condition is 3-year experience. 3-year experience in the relevant field. Relevant field means what? Accounts, taxation, like that, costing, finance, all general field only. That is what our area. So 3-year experience. Very important is that institute doesn't ask any turnover criteria. Institute doesn't ask any criteria about what whether it is before ICMA registration or after ICMA registration. That means once you completed your CMA qualification, you have a valid 3-year experience certificate with a proper pay slip and all. That is enough. Even institute does not ask a pay slip also. You have a valid certificate. It has to be attested by a qualified CMA. That is a ACMA or a FCMA. That is the only condition. So first one, it is what? You have to pass it. You should have a 3-year experience. Sir, whether my 15 months articleship will be counted? Yes. So your 15 months articleship will be counted. Plus you have to take additional, you have to take 3 years or 36 months. So balance 19 months also you have to take it. So 21 months also you have to take it. So my dear friends, some friends will have doubt. Sir, before joining CMA, I enrolled for some job where I have a 3-year experience or 2-year experience. Then I discontinued my job and joined for CMA. Then during the CMA, I haven't done any employment. Now, can those experience can be counted? Yes. Whether it is before ICMA registration or after ICMA registration, anything will be counted. Everything will be counted for an experience. So that is nothing to worry. You can able to take it. So 3-year only. So 3-year experience is there. If you pass even in this current June attempt also, you can apply for membership. No condition. Sir, how to go for membership? Everything. Our institute made everything online. No need to go and meet anyone. Everything you can do online. In this video, I am going to tell you how to apply in the online also. So this is our institute website. You have to click the members portal. So this is the members portal where every information are available. So I'll also tell benefit for some members also for your benefit. So here in members portal, here they will tell what all the professional avenues, general information, being a CMA, what all you can do, independent assessment, audit assignment, company sector, what all the avenues as a CMA you can have, certification area, all these professional areas are there. So if any students want to take a membership or practice in they can able to understand what all the areas you can able to practice. Then for CMA avenues, independent practice. Then in employment, they have mentioned in employment what all the opportunities you have. Cost accounting in employment, cost accounting in government sector. Lot of vacancies are, especially PSU, cost accounting in education. UGC recognized as NET, so you can go for academic purpose. So you can able to do all these avenues for your employment, education. You can go for even yes, government sector also. Then here coming to the gazetted verification for all the point. Now coming to here, our main area. Let's go back to the area. Yes, once professional avenues for benefits. If you become a benefits, institute is given lot of, see, being a CMA, I am getting a benefit of benevolent fund. Then they are giving lot of healthcare benefit with a lot of hospital. A lot of institute are giving benefit for the members. Apart from that, it's a proud, our hard-earned effort we got fulfilled by passing the course. So we should get the membership and other things. So even if you want to go for membership application, you can go for what? Apply for membership. This is the portal, online application. I have already told it's an online application. So apply for membership. You have to just click here. You can apply for membership. Here you have to click all these details. Application CMA, applicant person authority. Here you have to keep all these details. Your color copy of recent passport save, color copy of age proof. You can keep your Aadhaar card or PAN card also. Scanned copy of certificate of qualification duly attested by a cost accountant. That is, a cost accountant has to certify who is a member of institute or a gazetted officer also. That is your school principal or a college principal can also be do. It can be either JPG or a PDF format. Colored scan copy of original need not be attested. You have to do only Xerox copy. Colored scan specimen signature. Please note that online application have to make online payment of fees. It is a normal fees, 2000 rupees are there that you have to do. Only this makes my difference. So you have to just get the experience certificate. You have to just get the experience certificate from your employer and you have to upload. So here you can able to fill the details, application form, you can click here. So it will come the application form where you have to fill your email ID, mobile number. From this only your password, everything will come. So you have to check with the email OTP and mobile OTP. Then they will ask you year and month of pass, personal information, qualification. Then they will ask your other information also. Once you fill it, this is called a form M2. They will review it. Any query or anything, our institute is very vigilant. They will connect you over the phone or mail. They will get the clarity. Then they will approve. Institute council meeting, they will approve. If you come here in the home page, you can see here there's a PhD, all those further extension of CEP hours, new admission to associate advance, 5th August. See, July they are given admission. Again they are given admission. That means once in every week or once in every 10 days they are giving admission for membership. That is, they are giving earlier and will take 2 months, 3 months for membership. Now everything is fast. Institute is very, very fast. Sir, if I am a member, what is the benefit? See, our institute is conducting a lot of professional development program. I'll show you some of them. I am just logging with my mail ID and other details. See, if I log in here, institute is giving lot of webinars, recorded webinar, live webinar. See, these are all the webinar institute is giving for the members. Webinar on big data analysis, webinar on driving form. You can able to attend either online or offline. Apart from that, institute is conducting lot of CPE program. So you can able to get all the upcoming program here. See, this is offline, online will be the Eastern region, evolving landscape for indirect tax, opportunity for CMA in gift city, then cost intelligence, enhancing PSU competitive, practical approach in forming. See, now ITR time. So Hyderabad is conducting online practical approach on ITR 1 and ITR 2. So these kind of benefit you can able to get it. So I request you, all of you to utilize this very well so that you can able to prove that you can save back to the economy, to your institute. Apart from that, you will eligible to cast vote in your election. See, we have president, vice president, regional council members. Everyone is elected by the members only. So members can able to select all those points. So you can able to get all those benefit, my dear friends. So even you can get a members journal also. So being a CMA is a proud. So please take the CMA membership and become part of the CMA fraternity. Sir, what is ACMA, FCMA and all? See, if you get the membership, immediately you will becoming ACMA, Associate Cost and Management Accountant. So once you completed continuous 5 years of experience after the membership, then you will get a fellow. So what I have to do for fellow? Nothing. You have to just apply for here, application for fellow. Here also, you have to just make the application for fellow only. You can able to get the details. So hope all of you are clear. This is a very short video to make you ensure that you have to apply for membership. Membership is a very easy process. You can just upload your experience certificate in online. You can get the membership. So meet you all in this institute program as a member. Take care, my dear friends. Be a member and decide the future of the institute. All the best, my dear friends. Thank you.